Welcome to the Bird Chronicles Expedition Unknown. I'm here with my crew members. Say hi, guys. There's our driver. We're gonna look at the fantastical world of birds soon. Stay tuned, everybody. We might die.
It's all homemade. Can I get you a glass? The duck said, I'll pass. Then he...
Our destination is now known. We're headed to Cincinnati Zoo to look at some freaking birds. Our driver Grace is to the point of paranoia. She doesn't know what she's doing anymore. She doesn't know what she's seeing. She started talking about Lee's chicken or something like that, and then she mentioned Harambe. Maybe when she sees a chicken, she thinks about Harambe. What a creature. All right, Grace, you mind telling us where we are?
We are at Cincinnati Zoo and Botanical Garden. We have come to pay our respects to Harambe.
Rest in peace, Harambe.
R.I.P.
What a majestic looking creature right there. We are in the Swan Lake here at the Cincinnati Zoo, where we're witnessing the beautiful image of the trumpeter swan. Fun fact, this trumpeter swan is the largest of all swan, and it is named after its loud trumpeting call. There's a button right here. Yeah, that's pretty loud. If you look here at this picture, look at all that eyeliner that they put up, all that mascara and whatnot, just to make that beak really look really black. It's just a beautiful creature. Look at it flapping its wings over there by the water. It's just a beautiful, magnificent creature, Mike. All right, let's go. We are here in the aviary exposition. If you can see right there, there's a creature there. A mohawk feature. That is the Victoria crown pigeon. I thought it was a peacock too, but it's apparently a pigeon. It's found mainly in northern New Guinea, and its diet is composed of seeds, fruit, snails. I'm gonna try and mate with it. It's not working. It's following me. Yeah. Oh, it pooped. It's a good sign. Majestic creature. Majestic creatures are the thick-billed parrot. They weigh around from 11 to 15 ounces. They are found in pine oak mountain forest. You see those two over there. I think they're in love with each other. They're cleansing off each other, giving themselves love. I think this one had a good night last night. It's been winking at me out and says, hey baby, how you doing? Hey baby, yeah. He likes me.
Is this one?
It's just so beautiful. It's like bobbing its head, like when it bobs its head back and forth and fluffing to like vibrant feathers. A male courts his mate. So these birds right here, they're the southern red bishop. If you can see, they have this flamboyant red color, red-orange, like fire-colored feathers with a black belly and chest area and a black mask. They're mainly located in the central and southern part of Africa. To attract its mate, the brightly colored breeding male weaves together blades of grass to really construct several dome-shaped nests in its quest to attract females, the ladies. I should make it dome.
So this is me signing off from... We had a wonderful experience today with birds and Grace and some other animals that weren't recorded. No. So this is me signing off from Cincinnati Zoo. It was a great day full of fantastic and magical creatures. Special thanks to the camera operator, sometimes Grace, which is now the driver. You know, animals are majestic creatures. That's all I got to say about that.
The duck said goodbye. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Till the very next day, bum, 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 ba-dum. When the duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man,